Hey friends, it's Mel. Welcome to another grocery haul. I went back to Kroger's this week. I did a grocery pickup and I went in the store. So I got both of those combined for you here. I did it all in the same day and I spent about $210, I think it was, in all. And thank you so much. In my last Aldi haul, a few of you noticed I put prices on the screen for everything. It was not the hugest haul I've ever had, so I was able to do that. I will try my best to do that tonight too. Thank you for noticing, those of you that did, and appreciated that. If I don't have time to get all the prices on there, I will for sure put the prices up for the digital coupons or the things that I got a really good sale on this week. You guys know I am not the most tech savvy person. I'm not good at making the cute little tags. I just do good to get a price on the screen. So I will do my best. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much. I am enjoying the comments so much. I'm sort of caught back up again and got a lot of new friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you for being here. And I'm loving getting to know all the new folks. And I'm loving still just, loving on you guys that have been here for a while. Y'all are so precious. I am getting lots of feedback, and I love that, where y'all are trying different recipes, sending me pictures, telling me what your family thinks, and I love that. Keep it coming. It keeps me encouraged. And I know what y'all like then. That's what helps me more than anything. I like to know what you enjoy cooking, the kind of meals that you like, so I can bring you things that will please you. Anyway, let's get into this grocery haul and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here is my overview, guys. This was a really good amount of stuff and really got some decent prices on things. I will tell you, I did go in because there was a few things I forgot and some substitutions that I didn't accept and I needed to go in and check them out. So I spent about $60 in the store and about $150 at the pickup. So let me show you what I got. Tide laundry detergent. This is a little bit cheaper Tide, but it's still a really good quality, and they had a coupon on it, I believe. Got a really good deal on Snuggle fabric softener. Sparkle paper towels. This was a weekly digital deal. I always grab toilet paper every time I'm at the store now. I usually don't show this kind of stuff in my grocery haul, but Kroger is doing a reset right now. They're kind of getting out of the Walgreens brands in their store. So all of that stuff is kind of going out. And I got a bunch of tampons a few weeks ago for super cheap. And kind of the same thing is going on with pads now. But also, these had some really good sales and coupons on them. And then I just got these because pickings are slim. And I had a subscriber tell me there is actually now shortages on things like this. So if you have a house full of girls, and it may just be something to think about. Okie doke. I grabbed a couple of Totinos for the freezer. I got a thing of the crispy chicken strips, Kroger brand. And this is a nice big thing, 24 cans of Diet Coke. Good deal this week. Red Baron pizzas were on the digital coupon deal this week. This was something they told me they were out of stock. I just went in and chose some other varieties that were still on sale, but I got a cheese trio brick oven, a classic crust supreme, and a brick oven pepperoni. I did grab 2 containers of whipped topping. I've got some desserts coming up to make. Got some biscuits for my husband. He takes these to work. Half a gallon of milk. The 73.27 ground beef. If you got this fresh in the package, it was on sale for $2.29 a pound. That's what I ordered, 3 of those. They didn't have it, but they did substitute me this roll for the same price. That was a really good deal, so I stocked up on that. Got 3 of those. Got a thing of deluxe cheese. I went with a Blue Bonnet spreadable butter. I like to keep the real spreadable butter, but it was so expensive. No coupons, no sale, no anything. So we'll survive a tub of margarine. I got bologna for my husband. There was a good coupon on this. Let me get it out of the light so you can see the meat maybe a little bit better. It's got a glare on it, but this looked pretty good. This is Applewood smoked turkey breast. We've never had this brand, but the lunch meat, that was something else that is just really, there's just no way I'm going to be able to show you this good. But the lunch meat is something else that's really feast or famine in the stores. I grabbed 2 of the chopped onions, the frozen bags. They were telling me when I tried to order these last night that these were delivery only. Got a little bit of cheese dip. Look what I found. I got me some baby. They're not called petite anymore. They're called snackums kosher deals. And see how little they are? We love those. I got a thing of cornbread dressing. I usually get the herb. This is what I put on top of my chicken casseroles, and I will be making one of those to serve at a funeral this weekend. I got some more penne pasta. There was a coupon, not a digital like weekly deal, but you could use it one time. So I got that for $1. I went ahead and grabbed some more tea bags. Got a jar of marinara. These are going in a new pasta dish I'm trying this week. Taco sauce. Some of these Kroger brand baked beans. These are kind of like the Bush's grilling beans, or their baked beans. Got an extra cherry pie filling for a little dessert I'll be making. Got some peanut butter. This was a free coupon I had. And also, I got a coconut cream pudding. I needed a cheesecake flavor, but they didn't have that. So I'm just going with the coconut cream. This is for my dad. This is his Father's Day pie that I always make. Got a couple of vanilla pie and pudding fillings for recipes. Got mine and the girls' gum, pack of taco meat, water mixers, the same old a couple of cans of green beans, a Kroger Rotel. We have not had any A1 steak sauce in a while, so I'll grab this. I've been wanting to do some Big Macs at home, so there was a coupon on this special sauce, so I grabbed that. I've had the Walmart brand. I've not had the Kroger, but it'll be fine. Got Patrick some blueberry Pop-Tarts, and there was a coupon on this, and this made me think of the Harry and David's, that pineapple relish, red pepper relish jelly stuff they have. I am going to try and do a little something with this, and I'll share it with you later. So keep your eyes peeled for that. There was a good coupon on Orville Redenbacher's movie theater popcorn, which I love, but I would not have paid what I did for it even still if I'd realized there were just 3 bags in it. I thought it was the bigger box. But anyhow, we got some more popcorn, some Kleenex. We love to top these on our salads and also to put them in wraps with chicken and stuff. They give you a nice crunch. There was good coupons, digital-wise, on all the cracker type things that we haven't had in a while. So we got some Wheat Thins, which we love, Ritz crackers, and Cheez-Its. I got these for Patrick. This was all impulse right here. These 3 cookies I found impulse when I went in the store, and I couldn't help myself. But I got these for Patrick. He hadn't had these in a long time, and these are his favorites, so I got those. Then I saw these. He also likes a fudge striped. Hadn't had those in a while, and these were really cheap, and some chocolate chip cookies. Got some flaked coconut. This is also for my dad's pie. Graham cracker crust for that pie. Got this angel food cake. This is actually a digital coupon this week. And I'm going to have to rethink my process here on my desserts, because my mom's birthday is July 1st and my dad's June 24th. This is for my mom's. This is not going to be good, but I was going to go ahead and make it for her. I don't know what I'll have to make it. I don't know what order we'll do them in, but we're going to be having a lot of desserts around here. That's all I can say about that. And I forgot to tell you too, I'm going to use these in a dessert for my father-in-law for Father's Day. So I got lots of really good, interesting desserts coming up. I got a loaf of the honey wheat bread, a dozen eggs, got all my chips stocked back up here. All of these were on sale with coupons and that kind of stuff. The Cheeto and Frito, you got a deal if you bought 2 of those. The Ruffles, sour cream and cheddar, sour cream and onion. Then I also got those same flavors in Lay's. All those were like if you bought 4, you got a special deal. And the Doritos were buy 2, get a special deal. So I got a Cool Ranch and a regular. I got a beautiful head of lettuce. I'm very tickled with it this week. Look there. Pretty. That's nice. I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes. I got a little bitty crown of broccoli. A big onion. I'm going to have to go back to Aldi and get me another bag of those little onions. I love them. Libby cucumber. I got an orange bell pepper. All the colored bell peppers were on sale, but this one's a little limp, especially right here. I just have to use it quick. Anyhow, let me show you what I left in the trunk. I didn't want to carry this in, but I've got 3 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dews and 2 24 cases of water that were on weekly digital sale this week. So friends, that is the size of it. This was a really good haul. Lots of snacks, as always. Lots of things for lunches, fruits, veggies. But anyway, I'd been missing some of the things I get at Kroger, so it was good to be back for a week or so and get these bargains. I am still working on that video for you where I will show you how I save money at Kroger step by step, how I go through building my grocery order. So that is something too to be looking forward to. Until I see you Sunday night for another brand new What's for Dinner, remember that I send you love from my kitchen.